Ladies and gentlemen, welcome yet again to another video. If you're brand new, you're a digital marketer, and in this channel we talk about affiliate marketing, ways to make money online, and the mindset. And in this video we're gonna talk about how you guys can make money online by reviewing phone calls, and you can do this worldwide. And also some of the companies pay you directly through PayPal. Now you understand that, at these times people need to earn somehow some cash, and you can do this from the comfort of your home, and you can make your own hours. So it's very convenient to actually earn part-time income. But you also, at the end, if you come back to work your full-time job, you can still do this on your spare time, so you can actually supplement your income. So we're gonna go into my computer and I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm talking about, which websites are this, and what you actually need. So let's jump into my computer. So one of the websites is called Humanity, and actually this one is a website that has very good reviews. And what you need to do is when you apply, you sign up for free right there, and it says listen to recorded phone calls, answer simple questions with a click of a button, and you can earn money. Okay, so this company, it says, have you ever heard of the operator say this call is being recorded? Well, that's them. So what they do is they need someone to go and listen to these phone calls that are being recorded, and you all have to do is give your valuable opinion. Let's see, we're gonna go down here, and it says that you can create your own schedule. Okay, you can make as little or as much as you want, but they also have over 150,000 users around the world that are doing this type of job, and you can see right here that they pay you through PayPal. Now you're probably asking yourself, well, how much can I make? Well, I was looking on Google and I found this right here. It says Humanity website states that you can make from between $1 to $4.50 per hour, but it does depend how long it takes you to do the reviews on the phone calls, and how good you are, and how valuable your opinion is. So you guys can make even more than that. It'll, obviously when you're getting started, you gotta make maybe $1, $2, and as you get better and better doing this, you might be able to earn even more. So one of the things that I noticed here is that it says that when you reach $10, you can start getting the money out. So if you think this logically, you guys can start reviewing 5 to 6 calls a day, and you make around $20-$25. My math is not that good right now with that, but you realize that you can cash out after 10. So to have some extra cash in your pocket like right away is not a bad way, maybe for gas, I don't know, something quick that you might want to purchase. One of the websites that you guys can go check, it's Humanity, and they actually hire it right now. The second website is called Reynolds and Reynolds, and then you can go to rayray.com. you can apply for the job, and you can actually search for this job. Now I was looking for some information, and you can see right here that there's a call analyst position, and it's a part-time quality analyst. What you do is you listen to the phone calls, and you give your opinion with the questions that they're going to give you, so you guys can answer and tell them. One of the examples is if the customer service is speaking with the customer, and there is a special on the company, did they offer them? Did they mention it to them? They need to know that the company is doing and giving their customers the best experience when they're making phone calls. A lot of people complain about calling customer service is complicated and things like that. You can help by making this better with your opinion. Now this right here says that bilinguals have an edge, but is not a requirement. And some of these jobs require you to have a second language, because a lot of these companies are from out of the country, and they have customer service that speak Spanish or Portuguese, Japanese. And there's so many different people calling these companies, because they're worldwide, that they need people with different skills to give them reviews on these calls. So if you're someone that speaks a second language, this can actually work great for you. I was checking to see how much could they possibly be paying for, and it says that some sites and forums are telling people that work and have done this, they pay around $7 to $8. They're getting paid every 2 weeks, and the payments are made by direct deposit, which I believe also they might use PayPal, or somehow they send it directly to your bank account via direct deposit, which is great. And this job example here, they need a remote call analyst, home base, and the call station is from Texas. But right here it says bilingual applicants are preferred. If you speak Spanish or Portuguese, that might be a great advantage. You might get paid even a little bit more just by being bilingual. So these are two websites, so you can make money online by listening to phone calls. And if you're interested on, jumping into a different type of career, I have a video coming up right here at the end about affiliate marketing and how you guys can get started and have a whole year plan. If you're really interested in it, go check it out. But also, I created a series on ClickBank, and I'm releasing some of these videos as we speak, so you can go in my channel and go check those out. If you don't know what ClickBank is, I explained it on the first video, and in the second and third part I explained to you how you guys can promote this, because the problem with affiliate marketing is they only teach you a certain way, and then when you try to compete with others that have been doing it for a long time, you probably not make any sales and you get discouraged, and then you just give up. So I hope that you guys find this valuable, that you find that this video is helpful. If you know someone that is interested in this type of job, share my videos with them. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the button that says subscribe, so you guys know when I release videos on affiliate marketing or ways to make money online. And with that being said, guys, I will see you in the next one.